Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to a wrestling Blu-ray unboxing. Hold up here. The first thing we're going to unbox here is the Fool's Guide to Bryan Danielson. This is a, let me see here, a two-disc set, two-disc Blu-ray. And they're just like recorded and stuff. But it has all this on it. There it is. The next one is the American Dragon Bryan Danielson Complete Collection Volume 1. These are all like burnt and everything, but there's that. And then this has all this. You can see, you probably can't even read that. I can't. I'm too old. I can't read that shit. This is a one-disc set. That was a two-disc set. This is a two-disc. God damn, he was young there. Look at that shit. He was young as hell. A video.
They're still not home?
Alright, so there's that, obviously.
They got the Jeep home?
Alright, I'm back, sorry. The Complete Career Collection of Bryan Danielson, Volume 2 is the next one. Like I said, these are all burnt and stuff, but still work fine. So, whoa, that one almost broke on me. I broke it, no. Look at that. Really good shape, I'll tell you that much. That's for damn sure. See, I technically should have unboxed the Celebrity Deathmatch first, but I'm like, fuck this. You know me, I'm a wrestling fan, so I'm going to do this. The next one is the American Dragon Bryan Danielson, the Complete Career Collection, Volume 3. There we go. There it is. He still ain't growing a beard in this one. Has all that on there. And that. Y'all probably can't read that. So there we go. And the last thing in the Blu-ray thing here is the Broken Matt Hardy Saga. Deluxe Delete Edition. This is a two-disc one. This is all of the broken one, my favorite, so I'm excited about this one. You know, it even has the Final Deletion, Tag Team Apocalypto, the Final Deletion. Oh wait, Broken in the WWE, a whole bunch. Oh, my good friends, whoa, what's this? Oh, I think this tells you what it is. Look at this. Oh, it does. Yes. Oh, yeah. Delete or DK. The Final Deletion. Tag Team Apocalypto. Yes. Beautiful. It literally has all of this on it. This is cool. I like this one. Like I said, you know, burnt, but whatever. I don't care. As long as they freaking work, and that's all that matters to me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. You're the right time to upload. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.